Now, if you're like me, then you're probably used to playing video games in a chair like what I'm about to show you guys right now. If only this chair stopped rolling so much, I might actually be better at this game. The chair rolls and it makes me want to roll too. They're generally uncomfortable, they move around a lot, they're very creaky and shaky as hell, and there isn't much room for customizability. It's pretty much one size fits all. Oh, I crashed in the game! But then I got my hands on an Ewin Racing gaming chair, and it's safe to say I'm never going back again. No, but all joking aside, this chair, it really does an awesome job at keeping you in place. Unlike that little Walmart $10 chair that I had, it slides all over the place, it's constantly tipping to the left or right. This thing holds you in place. I don't know about you, but there's definitely some games that really get me going and really get me moving all kinds of ways. It's actually kind of weird and kind of cool to have a chair that literally just holds you in place. It's not gonna go anywhere no matter how crazy you get. It also has features that other chairs don't have, such as giving you the ability to recline as far back or as forward as you like. It can also lower itself. This right here is one of my favorite parts right here. This level of adjustability that that little $10 Walmart chair doesn't have. Right about here, because I kind of like to slouch a little bit while I'm playing. This is a perfect spot. That's one of my favorite things about this chair. These are actually adjustable as well. They go up and down. Super comfortable. From the design, remember guys, this is tailor-made. This is custom made just for you. This is custom made for my height and my weight. The materials, this is some high quality stuff. This is literally like a racing seat in your living room. These bad boys right here, this is what keeps you in place, and this is one of the most cushiony, softest things my rear end has had the pleasure of sitting on. I'm not going to edit that part out. Now, Ewin Racing has partnered with me, which is actually great news for you guys because you get a 20% discount on one of these chairs. I'm telling you, these things are nice. All you have to do is when you go to their website, just enter the discount code, and that is Mr. R. It's going to be MRR. So if you were already in the fence, if you were considering getting yourself a gaming chair and you want to help me out, you want to support this channel, guys, and you want to support all the upcoming projects, I got a crap ton of upcoming projects. You guys just wait and see. Then do me a favor and just kill 3 birds with 1 stone. Get yourself a gaming chair, get yourself a nice beefy little discount, and help support your boy. Either way, I hope you guys enjoyed this little review of the Ewin Racing gaming chair. Now I'm going to stay out here and enjoy the weather with this beautiful, comfortable chair. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woo. Good night. Bye-bye. Sitting in the morning sun, I'll be sitting when the evening comes, watching the ships roll in.